What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Ordinary E and another episode. And this is the best free PC on YouTube, the cheapest free PC on YouTube. Absolutely everything I got here built myself and it was all free. So I got up this morning, went to come in to package an eBay package and went to turn on my PC and this happened. Absolutely nothing. So it's dead. You can see the lights are all on the monitors, but the lights are not on or at home on the PC. So it's time to put this on the operating table and see if we can fix the best free PC on YouTube. Guys, before we bring the PC over and diagnose what's wrong with it, we need to package up the giveaway controller because Broski Ganna claimed their prize, and Broski lives in India, so we got chatting and he does have family in the UK, and I'm grateful enough that he agreed for me to send it to his family in the UK, or the people he knows in the UK who will visit India, and bring this Hall Effect PlayStation 5 joystick to him in the next month or so. So super grateful that we came to a good arrangement there. So let's get this packaged up and sent off. Don't worry guys, if you missed out on this giveaway, I am doing another giveaway of a PS5 controller. I will put Hall Effects in there, and I will change out the shell for this carbon fiber looking shell, and also Mortal Kombat 11 game. So as soon as we hit 1,000 subscribers, that will activate the giveaway and we'll be rolling that. Don't worry guys, there's also other giveaways. Just check the descriptions below to see how to activate the giveaways. Alright, let's get this packaged up and sent off. And there we have it guys, another package all ready to go. Just got to put the address he gave me on there and I will be sending it off. Don't forget, another giveaways here. Look at the description below and see the other giveaways, and all you got to do is subscribe, get someone else to subscribe and comment. Don't forget. And yeah, let's get into this video. Alright, bring this over here. Okay, so there's the machine, and you can't see to the right, but I have set up, I don't know if you remember from the last episode on the PC, I did try to put an arm up and it was broken, but I ended up using the arm when I changed the monitors, and I kept one monitor and put it on the arm, which is right here. So we can use that. I can plug it in here. Kind of setting up like a test bench here now. Alright guys, so the first thing, what would you do first? I can plug it in and we can have a look what's going on inside. So let's take this front cover off first. These covers are an absolute pain to get on and off. Well, to get off I think they're easier. Yeah. Let's see what's going on inside. Okie dokie. What could it be? I don't know where to start guys. So what's happening is nothing is turning on. You press the button, we actually don't know what's going on inside. So let's have a look what actually happens, if anything. Turn it on. Oh, a bit of life. Okay, it does spin. Okay, so the fan did spin, if you saw that. And what happens when I press the button? Now it's fine. Are you kidding me? So it's staying on guys. Let's plug it up to the monitor and see what we're getting. I promise you, it was not working. You saw it. I pressed the button a load of times. I've literally just moved it here and now it's turned on. It's bad news, but I just lost a bunch of my footage on the videos. So basically, just a quick run through of what just happened. Obviously, I put the PC back in its place as you can see. But before that, I did cut up an IO shield and I put it in the back, which I can't be asked to pull this out now, but I'll try and take a picture and put it on the screen. I also solved this problem where we couldn't get this door open, which now opens. And I also cleaned all of the filters and all of the 4 fans that are in this system, so they're all clean, and these were caked. So I definitely recommend you clean your filters every probably 3 months would be good, which I'm going to start doing now, but don't let it get to that stage. And it is worrying how much dust that collected. So, and it's all because of this card here, which I've got from AliExpress. There's 2 terabytes on it and it didn't obviously store all of the video. So again, I think earlier I was telling you about the test bench I kind of set up, which is the arm. The screen doesn't move because the arm broken, if you remember. But yeah, that's what I'm using as test bench with the monitor. And then I said, because the video was short, because the PC was actually not broken, I said let's carry on with the upgrades. And I wanted to see if I had a better keyboard. We've done as much as we can inside the computer with what I collected for free, and this is what I ended up showing you guys, which was a mechanical keyboard out of the keyboards that I have. And this is not completely working, so the button N is broken, and this number 5 button over here has a different colored LED. And then I've cleaned all the buttons, and I also picked this up for free, which is a set of keys. But some of the keys are not missing, and also there's a key missing here and there's a key missing here, but I can use this set, but this is missing keys as well. So the key here I'm still missing, so I'm just going to use any old key for that at the moment, if I can get this working, because at the moment it doesn't work. But hey, I'm going to show you something now that looks really cool. How cool is that, guys? It all lights up with all this rainbow effects, and I have a software downloaded for Razer over here, PC. You can change a bunch of stuff on the lighting. So that's the fire setting, starlight setting. Really cool, huh? So yeah, I really want to get this keyboard working so that it looks cool, but there's a bunch of stuff to do. So before I realized that the card hadn't been working, and by the way, do not buy your SSDs or micro cards off AliExpress. Learned that lesson now. Everything else so far we bought off AliExpress seems to be okay. But yeah, so I've done a bunch of cleaning because this was completely wrecked. And as I said, there's missing the buttons. There's an LED here that's not the right color. That one, and this button end doesn't work. So my plan was to open this up, and in taking off all of the keys, I noticed that the screws are at the top surface. Never done this before, guys. So the screws look like I've uncovered here, a couple of screws here, everywhere. I'm going to take the screws off and see if we can get to behind this and take off this LED and take off this button and try and get a replacement. But I need to know what the button looks like before I can order the replacements. So that is where I ended up explaining. I also was going to give away keyboards, which I'll show you a bit later, which I'll show you now actually. So I'm also giving away keyboards out of the keyboards I've managed to get for free. So here are all the keyboards that I managed to get for free, and I'm giving them away to you guys, and all you got to do is subscribe, comment, get someone else to subscribe. You know the deal by now. And basically I've had a look at some of these, and they're basically brand new. Look, brand new, and a mouse as well, and yeah, brand new keyboard. I might keep one just as a backup for myself in case something goes wrong with my stuff. But yeah, these are brand new, so I can't really say brand new second hand. Like this Razer keyboard is brand new second hand, but these are brand new. I think all of them are like this. So there's a wireless combo. This is a compact CP-KM007. Two of these, and then this one is an MK Logitech. So these are Logitech boards, pretty good make. And again, all in the packaging, brand new. No one wanted, someone just gave them away. So happy with that. And that means you guys can win the keyboard. Yeah, something else in there. But these are MK270s. There you go, guys. Each video I'm going to try and give one away in the coming video. So all you got to do, as I said, subscribe, get someone else to subscribe and comment on the videos. Just keep commenting. Never know when I'm going to do the giveaway announcement. I've got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 keyboards, guys. 5 different winners for you guys. Nice little haul there. And then this keyboard, second hand, brand new second hand keyboard, but obviously it's got issues. So without further ado, I'm going to dive into here and see if we can open this and see what the hell's going on behind it and teach ourselves how to fix a keyboard. Okay, guys, so I've just put some tape here, and this is to identify which ones we're going to work on. So this one has a problem with the LED, and this one has a problem with the button itself. So I'm hoping that we just have to remove these, have a look what we need to order so that we can replace them, and then hopefully by replacing them the keyboard will work, and I will have a mechanical keyboard, which someone mentioned in my comics. That's what I need. I need to experience a mechanical keyboard, and I've managed to get one for free, brand new second hand, and we're going to try and fix it, and I may have a mechanical keyboard. Yes, they're clicky, but when you put the button on, it's even more clicky. So it's the button that makes more of the sound. You know, the button hitting the surface of the metal, and this is all metal, not flimsy at all, really well built. So the next step is I am going to remove the screws and see what happens. Oh, by the way, I also noticed, I looked on the back, see if there's any screws, and I am missing a foot. So I need to order a foot as well. All the other feet are here, but because this one is missing, there's no screw there. I don't know if there's any screws under the other one. So I'm going to start with these front screws and then see what we find. Okay, looks like there's 15 screws. Now it should be able to just, oh yes, cobwebs and everything. Alright, looks like there's a connection here. Let's take this off. Alright, so we can go and clean this. Oh, bit of dust. Bunch of dust and cobwebs. Alright, we got a bunch of soldering points, so that's great. So it looks like you've got the key here, and then you've got all of these 4 points for the LED for every single key. There is no way I am unsoldering all of those. Look how many there is. Oh man. Okay, my plan was to see if I could take this board off, but it looks like the key is here, and then it's soldered all the way through the top plate and then the second plate. And in order to see the underside of this board here, I've got to undo every single solder joint. Not good. I'm not going to do it. So we'll just concentrate on the two that's broken, which is this one here. Oh, that's numbered, number 5. Does it say N? Oh, yes. Then they've got the letters on the back. That is handy. So it's an N, so this one here, and number 5. So we'll just take, and it's only the LED on number 5, so we'll try and take the LED out, and we'll try and take the N out, and see what we need to order. Let me just clean up this dust as well. Okay guys, so everything is cleaned up using alcohol and Q-tips, bunch of cloth. The reason I use alcohol is because it dries quick, not like water. If you try and power it on, the water will still be there. So I use alcohol and it's good cleaning. I don't know how this... Yeah, so let this dry, but we don't need to wait for this to dry. So we're going to take off the LED here and we're going to take off letter N over here. Let's do it. Alright guys, first step I'm going to do is put low melt solder. So with the button N, we're taking off the whole button. Button number 5, you're taking off the LEDs only. I don't know if it's possible to take off the LED only. But we'll try that first. Okay, step 2 is use the solder pump to desolder. Apparently I've been using this wrong, so you're meant to press the button and hold the button and release it after you've done the suck and move away. So let's try that. I guess a bit of you getting used to that. Alright, let's see if we've got any come off. So number 5, we just want the LED. See if it comes out. Yes, came off. Clean as a whistle. There she is. Alright, see if this button comes off. The LED came out. I wonder if we can put that LED in there. This is the good, might be good LED. Okay, there we have it guys, taken out the key and the LED, so we now know what we need to order. Just one key with these two and a little place where the LED can go into. Alright guys, I've got to get all of that on order. We may be able to put this in here and this will fix that LED, don't know. But the legs are all the same it looks like, so there's no difference in legs. I've seen different ones with different legs, so they look like they're cranked on the same. I don't know which way, if it matters which way it goes, but one side has got a flat edge and one side's got a rounded edge, and that can only go in one way on these. So, alright guys, that's all we're going to have time for because I've got to order the parts to see if I can get this to work. And if you enjoy this kind of stuff, please consider subscribing. If you're interested in the giveaways, subscribe, get someone else subscribe and comment, and look at the giveaway description below. And if you're interested in any tools that I use ever, or this keyboard, which by the way, I don't think I said what it was. It's a Chroma X Razer keyboard. Yeah, all the stuff is linked below. Oh, it says here, so it's written on the board R plus BC. Okay, that's good. Don't forget to come back guys to see me finish this off. I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.